Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you reveal sensitive content on X or Twitter, you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to turn off sensitive content filter on Twitter or X. So follow up with me till the very end to make sure nobody makes no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Since we're gonna be using the X app for this process, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply in the top right here, search for X. And once you find it, let's go ahead and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. So after that, go ahead and quit. Now you can go ahead and open X, of course. Make sure you are logged into your Twitter account right here. Then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open this menu from the left side of the screen. Now from here, tap on Settings and Support towards the bottom of the screen, and then scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy right under it. So basically you need to go ahead and open Settings from here. Once you open the settings, you need to go ahead and tap on Privacy and Safety right there. Once you open the privacy and safety settings, we need to look for an option that says Content You See. Go ahead and tap on it. And this is the toggle that we're looking for at the top of the screen. Now by default, this toggle will be switched off just like that. What we need to do is to simply switch on this toggle and you can view sensitive content on Twitter. If you want to do that from the search as well, so tap on Search Settings and make sure the first toggle is switched off, and just like that, your sensitive content will be visible in the Twitter app and even in the searches. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video, guys.